Dell Display Manager is a free-to-download software from Dell that helps you get the most from your monitor setup. By allowing you to manage the settings of a single monitor or multiple monitors and personalize the way you interact with your apps, Dell Display Manager enhances your everyday productivity. Dell Display Manager now has an improved user interface, increased multitasking capabilities, and easier remote management for monitor fleets. Visit dell.com/ddm to download the software. Select the right version for your OS, click to download, and follow the easy installation steps. If you're a Mac user, Dell Display and Peripheral Manager is an all-in-one application to control both displays and peripherals. Select your Mac operating system. Once selected, remember to check the files shown for your display and click to install. Once successfully installed, Windows users will see the app icon at the bottom right of the display, and Mac users will find it at the top right. Your app is now ready to use. Dell Display Manager is an easy way to adjust the basic settings of your monitor. Use the drop-down menu to select your preferred resolution and refresh rate. Configure brightness and contrast settings easily with the sliders. You can also change text size and orientation, and turn HDR on or off. Enable display matrix control when multiple Dell monitors are connected to synchronize color presets, brightness, contrast, and ambient light sensor settings across all monitors. Configure your preferred brightness and contrast levels for any supported preset mode. Simply right-click the preset mode and select the option to attach or detach the brightness. For monitors with an ambient light sensor, you can turn on auto brightness and adjust the range. You can also adjust color temperature and sync to a primary monitor in a multi-monitor setup. For monitors without an ambient light sensor, you can use the sliders to schedule a gradual, automatic transition of brightness and contrast from day to night profiles and sync between monitors. Changing settings on a specific monitor is now as simple as dragging the application window across, selecting the monitor from the drop-down list, or placing the mouse pointer at the specific monitor and using the configured hotkey to launch the menu launcher. The Quick Access Menu Launcher for Dell Display Manager is easy to personalize, so you can organize the list of feature settings according to your priorities. Download the free software at dell.com/ddm and elevate your work today.